Hey guys, it's April 30, Saturday morning. Dito kami ngayon sa Lake Merced, Harding Park, San Francisco. And we're going to run a 5-mile. Kasama namin dyan ng aming mga tito, tita, and si Daddy. Team Axel, USA. Yan, what can you say?
It's cold.
It's cold. Alright, see you later guys. Woo! The best. Okay, still running around Lake Merced. From here is Harding Park Golf Course dito sa San Francisco, and doon San Francisco State University. We're done. 50 minutes, 5-mile or 8 kilometers. Ito na kami sa Lake Merced again, Harding Park. Pakita ko sa inyo, ewan ko kung makikita nyo. Ito. Ito ba? There you go. Yan. See? Alright. Yung Harding Park na yan, golf course yan. Saan naglaro na rin si Tiger Woods. That's it. Thank you. Hi Daily Milers. Sayo, Axel, Pilipinas. Thank you. Miss you guys.